Hey, hey, what's up, guys? It is OBS Chevy K 1500 vlogs. Today I'm just doing a video. I know I haven't uploaded another video since like back in August. So as you can see, you guys, I finally brought back my 1995 Chevy Silverado. A few days ago, well, a couple of days ago, I changed the headlights. Now, uh, you guys wonder where these lights come from? Let's see. They look nice though. They look really nice. But let me show you about the headlights. So those white headlights, they were installed on my 2000 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71. Well, it had those headlights for like like a few months. But now, if you can see, my Tahoe's got some darky lights, some dark headlights. You guys see it? Can you see that, you guys? I actually, oh shit. I actually installed these brand new dark headlights for like, I think it was like on Saturday. Oh, jeez, Christ, you guys. Saturday I was so busy. I was working for customize my trucks. And yeah, that whenever like last month that my truck had these black tail lights. Well, I reinstalled these black taillights on my Tahoe because these taillights, they match on the color of my truck, because it has like black stuff on it, like up here, right here on the side, and those pipes and that bumper guard, 'cause that all that stuff that has on my truck, it matches. But otherwise, the bumpers, there are painted bumpers, not like chrome or black bumpers. They're painted bumpers. Uh, Hold on. With my OPS Chevy Silverado 1995, I also put some custom taillights. Well, actually, I bought these like a week or two, I think. These are the same taillights, but these are chrome or white. The other one they had, the other taillights that my truck had last month, those were blacks. But now these are the same taillights, but these are chrome. Still have the bumper that we installed last month. Yep, look very nice, really nice. That's the step that I just showed you guys that like months ago, when I just record on the other video on my other channel. And I actually put some tape on the mirror. One day, when I get the truck repaint, put a new paint and put a lot of stuff what she needs, those mirrors here and over there, I am going to change those mirrors and put the mirrors of a tow mirrors. That would be nice and beautiful if I put some tow mirrors on my 95 Silverado. She still runs, because I know a couple months ago, we got the transmission rebuilt, and it runs great. And also, like 2 weeks ago, I put a new seat, because the original seat, well, actually, it's not outside. I put it on the original seat in my room. I'm not gonna show that when I finish recording this video. Well, stop vlogging this video. So it doesn't look great. I know the seat is like ripped off, and all that. I know it doesn't look great, but I think I can go to a seat shop and they can actually change this with the color that match, just like the original. But no, I want like this, but not like that has on the original. I don't know how you say. Is it like personal or how you say that? I'm trying to figure it out. Um, well, I actually don't like the original seat because it has that. I trying to figure out how you say it, but I like this that it has on this new seat. But I'm gonna find a seat shop that and put a color that matches. Put in the same color that match the color burgundy, but like this, I like this one better than the other seat. She still runs. Oh yeah, and also I put this red and black plastic on the steering wheel. Still have that new cluster that I installed months ago, and yeah, I like better having 6 RPMs because the 5 RPMs, I mean, I do like the 5 RPMs, but I like better my truck having a 6 RPMs. I mean, I'm not saying that my truck can run more fast, even fast. My bad, my throw. But nah, I just want to put a new cluster because the original cluster that my truck had like months ago, she looked really nice. Does she? Does she look nice, you guys? This what is called bumper filler? Yeah. Well, actually, what we did, we fixed the damage to what the truck had. We fixed that, and now we put the bumper filler. Actually, you know what? This bumper filler it matches on the color of my Tahoe. Dude, don't want to show that the license plate because that's legal. It matches on the color of my Tahoe because that bumper filler is gray. That matches the color. But I was telling my dad if I can buy another one, if we can actually paint the other one on red, and this one we can put on the Tahoe. Well, so yeah, I like it when she looks. She look really nice. So now, guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna start the truck. You know what? I think I can start it right now. Hold on a bit. Alright, so now I'm inside my 95 Silverado. Let's start her up. Still starts though. Battery still works. We just put that battery for like a few months back until we gonna take the truck and get in the transmission rebuilt. She starts well. She's a great running truck. I love it. She's perfect. Well, not that perfect. She's good. There's some other things that I need to fix on the truck. So I gotta fix the suspension. What other thing? I gotta put a new shocks, and after that, I need to put some emergency brake cable that I can actually pull this. It does not have a cable on it, so I had to buy a new one. I buy some of them, but they don't fit on my truck. Yeah, the air conditioner. I don't know why it sounds like that. So what else I'm gonna do? You guys want me to start on my 2000 Tahoe? Alright, let's go on a Tahoe. Alrighty. Okay, señores, I am now inside on the Tahoe. Let's start this baby up. Oh, jeez. Okay, well that was a cold start. I think the battery was getting a little bit weak. But no, it starts well. I'm just gonna warm these trucks up, and then later I will turn them off. That's what that was what I. So yeah, I'm gonna, when the trucks are warmed up, I'm gonna turn them off. And so yeah, these trucks are really cool. I love old body style Chevy trucks, like this one and the other one. So now you guys, I'm just gonna end the video right here. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you're new. Make sure to turn on the notification bell when subscribing to my channel. Put down some comments. Follow me on Instagram and add me as a friend on Snapchat. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.